just quit YouTube? Hello, gorgeous. Anyways, happy new month. That's if you're listening to this because you obviously don't like hearing my voice. Why? Every time I've made a video where I'm speaking to you people just swipe through it. You let it perform so poorly, you just move away from it, thereby telling the algorithm that you don't like to hear me speak. What exactly is the problem? If you like to hear me speak and you're not watching the videos to the end, do you like to hear me speak? No, right? Yeah. But I'm speaking anyways because this video, let's just say it's not entirely for your viewership. It's for me. Okay, yeah. I'm kidding. The reason why I started this video like this is to tell you that Vaseline is that girl. You should be seeing my Vaseline behind me. Yeah, on the shelf there. Everything they say she is, she is. She is. I purchased Vaseline for about 2 weeks ago, and I just started using it judiciously on my lip 3 nights ago. Oh, don't go off! Don't go off! You're crazy. You want to go off? I know what you want to do. See, once this light is blinking like this, it wants to go off. Why is it flickering? Go off if you want to go off. Get something else. I know it. Okay, I'm back. So I think the lightning changed. Forgive the lightning if it changed because the positioning changed, but I hope it's still as clear as it was. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Vaseline is that girl. I just started using it judiciously 2 nights ago. And girl, if you want your lips to look sumptuous and feel smooth, not just look. You want it to feel smooth. Vaseline is that girl. Don't let anyone deceive you with this. Is first day of May 2025. Happy new month, and it feels like Saturday in a way. I don't know why. Today, all I want to do is go through my data science courses. In case you didn't know, this is Laika, and you're welcome to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe and don't make it your last. Leave a comment for any part of this video that you enjoy and tell me what you enjoy the most, and like the video because if you've watched it up to this extent, you are feeling the girl. Like the video, okay? Mwah! Yeah, so the aim and the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. The goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers before Q1 ended, but funny enough, we're in the second month of Q2 and we've not gotten to 1,000 subscribers. It's Should I just quit YouTube? Should I quit YouTube and focus on more pressing hits? Okay, in case you didn't know, I'm a data scientist, a data analyst. Hook me up with them jobs, okay? 9 to 5. Who is not tired of 9 to 5? We need them remote dollar and the money. That kind of money, that's what we're working for. But yeah, I am a data analyst and a data scientist. I just thought to add that here. If you need my portfolio, you need my CV, you have a job for me, beat me. I would deliver. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I have a course going on with ALX Data Science course. We're currently doing professional foundations and it's been wild. Last week we ended with the teamwork stuff and all of that. This week, what else do I want to tell you? I think that's really all I want to tell you. Okay. You shall see me on the other clips for the rest of the day. Thank you for listening to my voice again today. We wanna be famous. No, that's not just the wanna make some cuckoo money. Some cuckoo money. Ooh. Okay, bye-bye.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type, give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. And I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running in my all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me, cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm
Six. More like I bought it for 50 naira. When last did you buy onions for 50 naira in this motherfucking country? When last did that shit happen? I'm so proud of this purchase. 300 naira. 300 naira for all seven. 7 naira. You guys, this is a gold mine. Come and invest to me, so I'll help you on buying your onions. What do you think? What do you think about that? You want me to become an importer and exporter of onions? Holla at me right now. Girl, what's your problem? Are you tipsy? Are you high on some cheap stuff? I know, but here, this a goodbye. A goodbye. Lately I've been on my toes. Enemies been on a mission.
know you got